Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance to host this wonderful show. I'm very grateful to you, and actually, I'm very delighted to host this meeting. But before moving ahead, I want to say you something to all of you. So, can I sit?
Yeah. You are host, so you can
Hello,
do everything
sir.
today.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello,
Okay. Yeah, Manisha Sharma, you are audible, and
hello.
today you are our host. So everything is in your hand today.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, before starting this, before moving ahead, I want to say you something from for all of you. Sir, I want to say that you all are very creative-minded people. I'm very inspired with all of you because mostly I watch your recorded video on YouTube, and I found that the creativity of member of this group, how they present their topics in a very creative manner, and I'm very inspired, and I have learned a lot from all of you. I've learned from Lakshmi that it is only the illusion of our mind that any obstacle in our path can stop us. Sir, sir, please first tell me, am I audible to all of
Yeah,
you?
yeah, you are audible, and we are listening to
Hello,
you eagerly. Okay.
hello,
Yeah, we are listening to you eagerly.
hello.
Yeah.
Sir, am I audible? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
you are audible and 100% audible, not 70-80%.
Hello,
Yeah, carry on.
I think she has problem.
hello,
She has problem. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
hello.
are audible. You are audible
Yes.
perfectly.
I think they are not getting my voice.
So you can't get our voice. You are audible to us. Hello? She left.
Okay, so we have to wait for Manisha Sharma.
Okay, sir.
And
There
today
was
we
a
have very
problem, I
less
think.
participants on this group.
Okay.
I think effect of competition.
Many participants are there.
Hmm. Yeah, so madam, what we are planning, actually tomorrow we will have a trial competition. Okay, means not finalized, trial version.
Okay.
And day
We
after
prepared,
tomorrow
sir,
we will
already.
start our real
Yeah, we
competition.
prepared.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then
No problem. We
what
already
is the topic for
completed our preparation.
Actually,
what is the
Hello,
topic for
hello.
trial
Same
competition?
topics,
Hello?
same topics. Only for trial, they
Manisha
can
is
try.
back, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Because everybody has little bit
Sir,
doubts
Manisha
about
is
what
back.
to do, how to do. So we can guide them. They can also practice themselves. Only for practicing tomorrow we will have a trial competition. Okay. Yeah, Manisha Sharma is here. Manisha Sharma, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Next. Yes.
Okay. I think, sir, still the problem is same in the garden. So, without saying and go further to the topic,
Okay.
um, visible? Is it visible to everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Oh, okay. So, let's start with the first. So simply you have to do that you have to read aloud sentence one by one. I'll call you by read out the sentence. So without wasting our time, I'll invite Ilara ma'am. Please, ma'am, come and read out the first sentence.
She is not here. Ila Rani is not here.
Yeah, ma'am. So I invite Papia. Papia, please read out the first sentence.
Okay, okay. The development of this industry will take several years.
Okay, thank you. Now I invite Ruchi ma'am. Ma'am, please read out
Okay.
second sentence.
I would not comment on what people say.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Now I invite Keyur Gujarat. Please read out the third sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Do not forget to take out the garbage.
Repeat it. Please repeat it.
Do not forget to take out the garbage. Is it okay?
Okay. Now I invite Jaya ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please read out the fourth sentence.
We had to call a plumber to unblock the drains.
Okay, ma'am. Now I invite Manisha Jammu. Please read out fifth sentence. Manisha, are
She's
you here?
not here.
Okay, I think. Okay, so I invite Kinjal. Kinjal, please read out the fifth sentence.
Steps should be visually attractive as well as comfortable.
Okay, that's good. Now I invite Lakshmi. Lakshmi, please read out the sixth sentence.
Lakshmi is not here.
I think Lakshmi is not there. Okay, so I invite Anuj sir, please sir. Read out sixth sentence.
Thank you, ma'am. Can you please give a proof of purchase?
Yes, good. I now invite Ashok sir. Sir, please repeat the sixth sentence. Ashok sir, are you here?
No, he's not here.
So I invite. Okay, so I invite Nageshwar sir. Sir, please read out the sixth sentence.
The receipt is your proof of purchase.
So, so please repeat it. Your voice was not clear.
Okay. The receipt is your proof of purchase.
Okay. Okay. Now I invite Milan Parmar. Please read out the seventh sentence.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Seventh, discrimination against women is not allowed.
Please repeat it.
Discrimination against women is not allowed.
Okay. Now I invite Pankaj sir. Please read out the eighth sentence.
He's not here.
Hello, Pankaj sir. Okay, he's also not here. I invite Subhas Paul sir. Hello, Subhas Paul sir. Please read out the eighth sentence. I think he is not there. So I invite Nityanand. Please read out the eighth sentence.
Okay, thank you. Amitabh Bachchan become more and more handsome as he grew older.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now I invite Ashok Modia, sir. Sir, please read out the 9th sentence.
He's not here.
Ashok, sir. So, okay, sir. Okay, I forget. I invite Geeta, ma'am. Geeta, ma'am, please read out the 9th sentence.
She's also not here. Nidhi is here.
Okay. I
Akbar
invite
Alam is
Shanta,
here.
ma'am. Okay.
Shanta madam, yeah.
Okay. So I invite Nidhi. Nidhi, ma'am. Ma'am, please read out the 9th sentence.
People with asthma have difficulty in breathing.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now invite Nidhi, ma'am. Ma'am, please read out the 10th sentence.
No, I think Nidhi completed her reading. Now I am Shanta.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
They are holding an auction of jewelry on Thursday.
Okay, okay. Now I invite Subhashri. She's here or not?
She is not there.
She is not here. Yogesh, sir, are you here?
No.
Hello, Yogesh,
No,
sir?
he is
No,
not here.
no, I think he
Now I invite Akbar Alam.
Yeah.
Please read out the 11th sentence.
You can see my
Thank you.
participants' name.
I always have a boiled egg for breakfast.
Please read out loudly, little bit loudly.
Okay. I always have a boiled egg for breakfast.
Okay, okay. Now, anybody left?
Yeah, we have two more participants, Subhashri ma'am and Vaishali ma'am.
Subhashri, ma'am, please read out 12th sentence.
Hello. Yeah. Which one?
12th.
Okay. You will get the entry in dance competition only after showing the coupon.
Okay. Can you repeat it
Yeah,
again?
sure. You will get the entry in dance competition only after showing the coupon.
Okay, okay.
Can I say?
Now which one is left?
Yes,
Vaishali.
ma'am,
Yes.
Vaishali.
Please read out the. Okay.
13. I did not recognize him because he had altered so much.
Okay, okay. Now I again invite Ruchi, ma'am. Ma'am, please read out the 14th sentence.
Vegetable prices fluctuated according sorry, vegetable prices fluctuated according to the season.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now I invite Papiya, ma'am. Please read out the 15th sentence.
Okay. Are we going to have pizza for lunch?
Okay. Thank you. So you all have completed your task successfully. Now it's my turn to complete my task. Please help me in my task. So my task is please correct my pronunciation if I pronounce it wrong. So the first I'll talk about the first sentence. The first sentence is the most commonly used word, and usually we heard this word in news, in daily news, and in news they even pronounce it as development or sometimes development, but it is not. It's neither development or not development. It is development. Okay. So I repeat it again. It is development. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So I invite one by one. Please, Papiya ma'am, make a sentence by using this word.
Okay. So we are making development in that session.
Development, ma'am. Development.
Development.
It's development.
Is it correct?
Development.
Development. Okay. So we all are
Development.
making. Okay, I am trying once
Okay.
again. We all are development through these sessions.
Development.
Development. Somebody can try. Ma'am, Santa ma'am, please, can you call one by one, because I'm not able to see the participant names.
Nidhi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please make the sentence by using first word. Ruchi, ma'am.
No, Nidhi.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
India needs really development. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now I come on to the second word. It's also a word that we use in our daily communication, and but we pronounce it wrong, in wrong ways. We pronounce it comment. It is not comment. It is comment. Okay, it's comment. Okay. So I invite sometime please invite someone to make a sentence.
Ruchi madam.
Okay. Okay. Sir always give good comments to us. Comment to us. Sir always give good comments to us.
Positive.
Yeah, positive comments.
Okay, okay, very nice, ma'am. Now we come on to the yes.
My friend comment in my post.
Okay. Okay.
I think my post or in my post, sir, please.
In my
post. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's come on to the third sentence or third word. So we all know that it's very commonly used word, and we heard it many times, but still we pronounce it wrong. Mostly we pronounce it garbage, but it is not garbage. It is garbage. I'll tell you. It is garbage. It is garbage. Okay, it is garbage. It is not garbage. It is garbage. So please, anyone want to make a sentence by using this word?
Hello. Can I?
Hello.
Don't litter
Yes, ma'am.
garbage. Don't litter
Garbage.
garbage
Okay.
on the road.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay. Very nice, ma'am.
Can I make?
Okay. Yes, of course.
Voice is not clear.
I'm not getting this network problem is from my side or your side.
Rajkumar sir, your voice is not audible.
Oh, it's not audible. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm now is it audible?
It is breaking.
Am I audible to all?
Some problem.
Still it is breaking.
Okay.
Your voice is not clear.
Yes, I want to make a one sentence. Indian media is producing the garbage report.
Garbage. It's garbage.
Garbage report.
It doesn't sound R. R is silent here.
Yes.
Here treat R as a silent
Garbage.
word. Silent letter. Okay?
Okay.
Garbage.
We have to pronounce it garbage.
Garbage. It is a garbage. Garbage. Okay. Anyone want to make the sentence? Shall I move?
I would like to try, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
We should not litter the garbage in the metro.
Okay, okay. That's nice. Okay, so let's move to the other sentence. Let's move to the fourth sentence. So we all know for whom. Okay. Now we are moving to the fourth sentence. Fourth word. We all know that for whom we use this word, but mostly we pronounce it wrong. It's not plumber. It's plumber.
Plumber.
Here we treat plumber. We treat B as a silent word. I'll write it. Okay, sorry.
Plumber, be silent.
It is plumber plus plumber. Okay. So anyone can make a sentence by using this word.
Yeah, plumbers are very expensive now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I just wanted to make this sentence, but
Make a sentence.
Today I call a plumber because my tap flowing
closed.
not okay. Drop. Okay.
Okay. Anyone want to make?
for the plumber,
Shall I move to
the water pipe is leaking in leakage.
Okay.
Hello, I am Shanta. Plumber is a person who works with taps.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, nice, ma'am. Very nice. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Of course.
Today, plumber came in my office and he repaired the tap.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's move to the fifth sentence. We know this is very comfortable sentence, but we don't pronounce it in a right manner. We pronounce it comfortable, but it's not neither comfortable, not comfortable. It's comfortable. Here the OR is silent and the A after T is also silent. So we pronounce it as comfortable. Okay, not comfortable. I think you are getting my point. It's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Okay, please make a sentence.
May I?
Yes.
We all are here very comfortable at this platform.
Oh, very nice.
May I?
Yes.
I'm not feeling comfortable when I'm wearing the mask.
Yes. Nice.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, guys. Want to make sentence?
Yes, can I?
Okay. Can I make?
Yes.
Should wear the dresses which are
We should be
comfortable
comfortable
for us.
with our friends. Otherwise, we do not express our feelings without any hesitation. So that's why be comfortable.
Okay. So it's comfortable. Now let's move to the sixth word, and usually we pronounce.
May I, ma'am?
Yes. Of course.
After joining B camp, we are comfortable to speak English.
You make a sound of R. It's not comfortable. It's comfortable. Comfortable. Table, not sit table. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
It's comfortable. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Comfortable.
Okay, let's move to the sixth word. Oh, so usually we pronounce it as receipt. Most of us pronounce it as a receipt. But it is not receipt. It is receipt.
Receipt.
Okay, it is receipt. Okay, please make a sentence by using this word.
May I try, Milan?
Okay, you can try.
We have received your payment receipt.
It is not receipt. Receipt.
Receipt. Only T.
Only T.
Okay.
Treat P as a silent word.
P is a silent word.
They will treat
Okay.
P as this.
We have received your payment receipt.
Oh.
Am I correct?
Yeah, of course. You are correct.
May I?
Thank
Yes, sir. Yes.
May I?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
I have received my PAN card today.
Please repeat it again.
I have received my PAN card today.
Okay.
We should ask always for receipt during purchasing.
Receipt.
Oh, yes. That's nice.
I place the receipt in my wallet after purchasing.
Yes, ma'am.
To exchange your clothes, you have to need a receipt.
Okay.
I got a receipt after paying the school fees.
Okay. Let's move to the
Okay, may
let's move further. Okay, yes, sir. You can. Hello?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Carry
I
on.
usually forget to.
Okay, I got disconnected. So may
Oh. Hello?
hello, may I?
Yeah.
Sanand. Okay, so now we are not getting a receipt from ATM machine while we are withdraw money.
Okay. That's good.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move to the seventh word. So we pronounce both of these words as woman or woman, but it is they doesn't sound like a woman. They are neither woman now, not woman. It's we pronounce first word as woman and second as women. Okay, first as woman and second as women. I think you are getting my point. Yes or not?
Okay.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So here first is woman and second is women. I'll write it. Oh, sorry. It's just women. Anybody want to make a sentence using these words?
Women of India are very strong.
Okay, ma'am. That's nice.
Hello.
Anyone else? Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays, women are working in all the fields.
Okay, that's good. Okay, anybody want to make?
Can I make?
Women empowerment
Yes.
is important for development of the country, of any country.
Okay.
Women empowerment is important to develop of any.
Oh, that's nice.
Women should get the equal right just like men.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Shall we move further?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we come to the eighth word. We pronounce this when we pronounce this word, it sounds like handsome. Okay, hand plus some, but it's not handsome. It should be pronounced as handsome. Okay, and we treat the D as a silent letter. Okay, so it will be handsome.
Handsome.
Next sentence.
Pankaj Udaipur looking handsome.
Handsome. Okay, that's nice. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone want to?
Sir is here.
Anyone want to make? Okay, let's move to the ninth.
Nageshwar sir speaks very handsome way.
Okay, okay.
I think context is
Okay.
In our film industry, there are many handsome actors.
Yeah, yes, yeah, it's right. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's move to the ninth sentence. Or nine. What? Sorry, I'm pronouncing this sentence. So we pronounce it as asthma, and sometimes in a stylish manner asthma, but it is neither asthma nor asthma. We will pronounce it as asthma. Here, TH is silent.
Asthma.
Okay, asthma.
Our meaning.
This is silent, right?
TH here, TH is silent. TH silent.
Okay, right.
Is asthma. Asthma. Okay.
Asthma.
Anybody want to make sentence?
I would like to try.
Okay. Okay.
Asthma is a respiratory disease.
Okay. 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 That's nice.
My neighbor is suffering from asthma.
Okay. Yes.
My mother takes medicine for asthma.
Not asthma.
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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. And now we move on. Sentence, 10th word. Okay. So it is a very expensive word, and we pronounce it as jewelry. But it is not. But it is not jewelry. It is jewelry. Okay? Sometimes we found this word awkward, little bit awkward, jewelry, and we used to pronounce jewelry, but it's not jewelry. It's jewelry. Okay. Anybody want to make sentence?
I like diamond jewelry.
Okay, okay.
Female likes jewelry.
I don't like heavy work jewelry.
Okay.
Female likes jewelry.
I also don't like jewelry.
Yeah, yeah. Very nice. Okay.
The prices of the jewelry is very high.
Yes, yeah. Okay, let's move to the 11th sentence, which is it is my favorite word, but yes, we always pronounce it breakfast, but it is not the breakfast. It's breakfast. Okay, break. The break sound like break, and the fast will be first. Okay, so complete it to be breakfast. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah. Breakfast. I write it. Plus first. Breakfast.
Okay.
EA replaced by EH. Here EA replaced by EH. And A treat as a silent word. We treat EA as a silent word. Okay, it will be breakfast. So please